Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to blur background in Canva. So to start with, you need to open up the photo that you want to blur the background in. And using Canva, it's really easy to create a blurred background so you can make the subject of the photo the main focus and stand out a bit more. So it's really easy to do. So all you need to do is click onto your photo, click edit. Then we're going to click on the see all tools and we're going to click on auto focus. So Canva will apply the autofocus feature and you can adjust the intensity. So I'm going to reduce the focus position so you can see the lady has become the main focus. And I can increase or decrease the blur and you can see the background's blurred out now. Again, I can make it really obvious or make it more subtle. You can just play around with it until you get the exact blurred background that you want. And that's it. If you don't like the autofocus, you can just click to remove it. It's really simple. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.